back with another story from our book Aesop's Fables by Michael Morpurgo and Emma Gister-Clark. Now, let's say we add our dog to our rock collection. So far, we have the turtle and the rabbit, the lion, and our small mouse. I'll show you how. Let's go. So, as you can see, we have a very nice collection here, but it's time to add our dog. And I have already painted the rock, and it's kind of the pattern of the dog where it's like half and half. So we're gonna grab a marker, a black marker, and we're gonna draw an eye on one side, and an eye on the other side, and then we're gonna give him a nose, and of course give him some ears. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brother who you know how we do. And there's our dog. But with the story, we had something else with the dog. Do you remember what it was? That's right, the bone. So we're gonna flip our rock on the flat surface, and we're going to draw a bone. And there we go. We have our bone and our little dog. I look forward to seeing your collection